इंटरेक्शन एक ऐसी म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, ये अगर इस म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग को हम जरा सा भी गड़बड़ करते हैं तो हम बहुत बड़े लॉसेस पर जाते हैं। वेदों की एक ऋचा मुझे याद आ रही है जिसमें ये बात कही गई कि यत् किंचम सर्वम सत्याम जगत तेन त्यक्तेन भूमिथा मां गृधा कस्य स्विद धनम। इसलिए कहा गया कि हमारे ब्रह्मांड में, हमारे पर्यावरण में जितनी भी चीजें हैं उनका हमें उपयोग करना चाहिए, है ना, त्याग पूर्वक उपयोग करना चाहिए, है ना। तेन त्यक्तेन भुंजीथा मां गृधा कस्य स्विद धनम, उसमें हमें लालच करके उपभोग नहीं करना चाहिए। मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूं डॉक्टर राठौर आपका कि आपने संस्कृति और विरासत और वैज्ञानिक तथ्यों को मिलाकर के आपने प्रस्तावना में अपनी पूरी बात कह दी कि अगर हम पर्यावरण में मौजूद किसी रिसोर्स का, किसी संसाधन का हम उपयोग कर लें, यूटिलिटी नॉट कंजम्पशन, उपभोग न करें, तो जीवन हम लोगों का एक दूसरे के साथ म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग में समृद्ध होता रहेगा। जो हमारी ये एक बड़ी बहुत बड़ा ट्रेवलॉग है मनुष्य जीवन का, जिसमें लाइफ की डिफरेंट फॉर्म हम आज सर्वाधिक मनुष्य पहुंचे। इस मनुष्य ने जैसी बौद्धिकता का विकास हुआ, पर्यावरण का सबसे बड़ा नुकसान किया, क्योंकि इसने यूटिलिटी छोड़ करके कंजम्पशन पर आ गया। तो हमें यूटिलाइजेशन बजाय कंजम्पशन के, क्योंकि अगर हम कंजम्पशन जब करते हैं तो चीजें डिटोरिएट होती हैं। गीता में भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा यथा माम प्रपद्यते तास तथैव भजाम्यहम् हम, टिट फॉर टैट। प्रकृति ईश्वर है, प्रकृति के साथ अगर हम गलत व्यवहार करेंगे तो वो भी हमारे साथ टिट फॉर टैट, जो मेरे साथ जैसा व्यवहार करता है, जो मुझे जैसा भजता है तो उसको वैसे ही भज देता हूँ। देखिए, हमने अर्बनाइजेशन किया, कोलोनाइजेशन किया, और हमने प्रकृति का ऐसा अंधाधुंध दोहन किया कि सब जगह कहीं ना कहीं इकोसिस्टम बिगड़ा है, चेन बिगड़ी हुई। हमारी जो हैपनिंग थी, जिस स्पीड से नेचर में नई नई चीजें बन रही थी, हम समृद्ध हो रहे थे, विकास हो रहा था, डीएनए कितना हमारा बहुत जा रहा था, हमारी इस एक्सप्लॉइटेशन से डिटोरिएशन हुए और नए नए ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल्स बनकर के आ गए। कोरोना आ गया, तो ये सब क्या था? ये वही है कि अगर तुम मुझे छेड़खानी करोगे तो मैं तुम्हारे साथ छेड़खानी करूंगा। अभी कुछ समय पहले केस में पानी का बहुत बड़ी विनाशलीला हम लोगों ने देखी थी, तो दिस वाज सिंपली कंजम्पशन। वहां पर देखिए पहाड़ बड़े शांत होते थे, लेकिन वहां पर हमने वहां पर इरोजन किया, उस इरोजन से कितना बड़ा हमें लॉस हुआ। तो सर, मैं आपकी बात को मैं पूरी तरह समर्थन करता हूं कि हमें नेचर को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए, और हम लोग बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं कि डॉक्टर अशोक राठौर सरीखे राष्ट्र को समर्पित और विश्व मानवता के प्रति बहुत संवेदनशील भाव से रह करके अपने जीवन को और बहुत अच्छी टीम बना करके विश्व के पर्यावरण को बचाने के लिए आपने एक राष्ट्रीय यज्ञ और विश्व के यज्ञ जैसा काम शुरू किया हुआ है। यज्ञ का मतलब कुछ वो नहीं होता कि हवन सामग्री डाल करके धुआं पैदा करना। यज्ञ का मतलब होता है वेलफेयर की ड्यूटी, एन एक्शन ऑफ द वेलफेयर। तो आपने ये एक वैज्ञानिक अनुष्ठान यज्ञ सरीखा रचाया है। मेरी बहुत मंगल कामनाएं। पर्यावरण की सुरक्षा के लिए, प्रोटेक्शन के लिए हमें आगे आना ही होगा, और दिमाग से जो हमारा एक्सप्लॉइटेशन की बात है, एक्सप्लॉइटेशन, शोषण नहीं, उपयोग, है ना, उपभोग नहीं, उपयोग, इस पर हमें कंसंट्रेट करना पड़ेगा। इससे हमारी इकोनॉमी भी बढ़ेगी, हमारी समृद्धि भी होगी, और लाइफ की जो फॉर्म्स हैं उनमें म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग रहेगी, तो नुकसान हमें कम होगा। पीछे के दिनों में देखें तो हमारे नुकसान कम हुए हैं, लेकिन इस बीच हम देख रहे हैं तो प्रकृति हमसे कुपित हो गई है, और ऐसा लगता है कि प्रकृति पूरा ले रही है ना, फॉर टैट वाली बात हो रही है। तो सर, मैं अपनी बात को यही कंक्लूड करूंगा कि आपका यह प्रयोजन, और जिसमें मैं देख रहा हूं कि पैनलिस्ट में बहुत अच्छे पर्यावरणविद हैं, अब बहुत सारे पर्यावरण एक्टिविस्ट लोग हैं, पर्यावरण प्रहरी हैं, जिनको कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी रूप में, बेशक वो प्रोफेशनल है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो आपके साथ जुड़ी हुई पूरी की पूरी टीम विश्व मानवता के लिए और विश्व के प्राणिक समुदाय के लिए, पूरी डिफरेंट जो हमारी लाइव्स है, whether they are plant or they are animals or any type of organism, सबके साथ एक समानता का भी व्यवहार हो, सम्मान का व्यवहार हो। हम चीजों को उतनी लें जितनी हमारे उपयोग की हो। तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मुझे इनवाइट करने के लिए। आप इसको और समृद्ध करेंगे टेक्निकल लैंग्वेजेस में। इसके जो टेक्निकल पार्ट हैं, सैद्धांतिक पार्ट हैं, प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, उन पर यहाँ पर पैनलिस्ट डिस्कस करेंगे। मैं इतनी ही बात कहूंगा कि जहाँ पर हमारे वैदिक कल्चर और हमारी विरासत इस बात के लिए हमेशा देती रही है कि हमें प्रकृति के साथ मैत्री भाव बना करके उपयोग करना है, उपभोग नहीं।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। थैंक यू वेरी मच डॉक्टर साहब फॉर शेयरिंग वेरी नाइस वर्ड्स। सभी को इसी वे में काम करना है, इसी वे में जाना है। सो नाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच डॉक्टर साहब, थैंक्स अगेन। Dr. Pankaj Pathak, can you hear me? I think as he has some problem with the audio system, right? Okay, so we'll wait for panel. And now I invite next panelist, Dr. Soumya. Can you hear me, Dr. Soumya?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, great. So I welcome Dr. Soumya Singh, and I invite you for sharing your views, opinion on environment protection, how we can go ahead with this situation, and how this can be overcome, and how we can protect the environment. Please share a few things.
Yes, good evening, sir. First of all, thank you for inviting me in this panel discussion. And good evening to all panelists and all the participants. I'm Dr. Soumya Singh. I'm Associate Professor at Saraswati College of Engineering, Civil Engineering Department. So I believe what the previous panelist has talked, it's a relevant issue in today's scenario. And I do think that, in fact, I'm a true believer that every little thing that we do for environment, it can take us long way in creating a sustainable environment.
Right.
So all these little steps can add up, and it can really make a difference. So, in today's small talk, I will be talking about the importance of waste segregation. So, let's take an example of waste management. So, if we talk about solid waste management rule, it clearly says that each and every waste generator is accountable for their own waste. So, if we all do our bit, the problem of waste management can easily be solved, and in fact, these waste can be recycled and used in the most efficient way. But for that, the most important thing is segregation. Now, this a simple task of segregation of waste at source, that is, at source means at household level. So it can add up and contribute towards the environment in a big way. So, in such kind of discussions or panel discussion, it is our responsibility to actually make people aware about the importance of such topics. So people should be aware of the benefits and the importance of waste segregation. You see why segregation is so important, because if we don't segregate our waste, most of the recyclable waste like plastics or paper, etc., they will all be mixed with the wet waste. And those recyclable waste like paper, plastic, they will lose all their value, economic value, which they were having. So now after mixing with the wet waste, since they have lost their value, so we are actually losing a lot of things which the waste could have. So, apart from losing the value, it is also increasing the overall volume of waste significantly. Now, then this waste management will become even more tough, and it will become even more cumbersome job. So, let me tell you, around 60 to 70% of the total waste management expenses in collection and transportation of waste. So, more volume of waste is generated, so definitely more collection vehicles would be required. So more will be the disposal cost. So if we all can reduce the waste, if we all can segregate the waste at source and try to look for reuse and recycle of the waste, we would be actually contributing not only towards the environment, but also would be a more economical and efficient process. So the punchline here is that waste is wealth. And the day we understand this, we can always find solution to extract wealth from this waste. So I only request that there should be more awareness programs so that people understand how to segregate waste and what is the importance of such waste. So thank you,
Right.
sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you for nice words and for inspiring to all the participants. I think it's a very good platform to share the views, so everyone can start this type of small activity at their daily in their daily life. So, thank you, madam. Thank you very much. Now I will invite Mr. Rishikesh Singh. He is environmentalist from Lucknow. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, please share your views on this thing like environment protection, how we can do all the things.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
So, good evening, everyone. Uh, Today, as we are discussing on the topic,
Ji.
today we are also celebrating our Independence Day.
Right,
So, all I would like to wish all of you a very happy Independence Day.
Ji,
So, so that we are celebrating our Independence Day, but we still depend on the environment.
Ji.
So, hence there is a balance natural cycle that exists between the environment and human being. So, first of all, we should know the why we should protect our, because for everything we are dependent on the environment.
Ji.
So, human is responsible for to destroy the environment. So, this is our environment.
Okay.
I would like to share some views, like in many problem with like India also. India is uh, making several rules, uh, controlling the single use, controlling the water.
Okay.
It is our responsibility as a human to protect our environment. We should not think that government will make the rule and they will make rule to control these things. This is our responsibility, and we can control the pollution and we can save our environment.
Right.
So, human as we know that human directly uh, exploitation of the environment has led to an ecological crisis, and with the improvement of technology and medical care, interaction with the human. So today, as we know that our industrialization and globalization has changed our environment.
Ji.
So if we think about as an environmentalist, as an environment lover, or as an environment protector, it is our great responsibility. If we will compare then the army, compare then the PM, compare then the CM. So our responsibility as an environmentalist is more than the other persons, armies and PM and CM, because they are protecting their country, they are protecting their, they are making the rules for one country. But as an environmentalist, we are the global person. So this is our global responsibility to control the pollution and control the human being, our nature Earth.
Right.
So we are not binding in any order. We are open to control the pollution. That's why we are the convention is there, so it is applicable to whole country. Paris convention is also applicable to the whole country, whole world. So we environmentalists, we are bending with the one or one nature, because our this earth and we are the as a human being. If we will not protect, it will be harmful to the other creatures, those who are dependent on us or not dependent on us. So if we are destroy the nature, we will destroy the cycles like water cycles and ecological cycles, and will be destroyed. So ultimately, the effect will be on us, and we will damage to the environmental pollution. So
Ji.
I will request and every person earth because we are the creator and we are the destroyer. So this is our responsibility how we have how we will protect our nature and thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Doctor, for a nice word. Now I am inviting Dr. Pawan Bharti from New Delhi. He is working at Sri Ram Institute. Can you hear me? You can mute yourself. Yeah.
जी जी आई एम ऑडिबल डॉक्टर साहब
या बिल्कुल आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल क्लियर है. यस सर, बोलिए.
thank you sir it's my privilege to be here in this program thank you organizer account team Dr. Rathod thank you very much first of all good evening and a very happy Independence Day to all of you and friends society environment these are the three things which are very much
जी
important and prime things for us.
जी
And anyhow, they're interrelated too. We, the people of the country, we, Homo sapiens species, we are the responsible for environment or societal deterioration as well as its protection or strengthening. And ultimately, the impact goes to country. So all the things are interrelated. So it's our duty, especially members of the scientific community, to protect it, to conserve it, and build a powerful nation.
जी
In our Constitution of India, there are basic duties in Article 51A and Article 42, and it is related to the protection of natural resources, lakes, forests, wildlife, and all these things. So it is our prime duty. So we can take a couple of examples, just like first example, Delhi, a big city versus village of like Uttarakhand or some other state which is not very much developed. Okay, so we can take an example of lifestyle of Delhi lifestyle, a small village of Uttarakhand. So we are generating a lot of waste packaging material, food packaging material. But in Delhi especially, we not remote village. You can imagine the air quality status of both place, water quality means you can say place this Delhi. I'm sorry to say this is not a great place to live right now. But if you look at that small village, so due to this, our lifestyle, developmental activity,
जी
you can feel the difference. Now coming to the number two, second example, the agriculture method, and we can take the example of Punjab state as well as the state of Sikkim.
जी
Okay, in Punjab, they use excess of pesticide and chemical fertilizers, and what they are doing, they are making the system very poor, very ill, barren. And on the other hand, if you are looking at the scene of Sikkim, it is completely organic. So they are happy. So you can differentiate easily. Okay, and
जी
you can so I suggest we have to utilize the natural resources wisely in a very sustainable manner. As Dr. Saab, a great expert is in the panel, so I'm summing up here. So friends, the message is not very unclear. Please create awareness and do something for environment as well as of our country. With this, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
हेलो.
Hi, Doctor.
Okay, thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot for being here and sharing your nice words. Everyone can understand about this situation, and we need to start from our side because it's our responsibility. to protect this environment, we can say our country, our niche, so where we are working. Now I invite Mr. Chaudhary, Manoharana Chaudhary. Can you hear me, Mr. Chaudhary?
Hello.
Yeah. Please share your few words about how we can protect the environment, what type of activity to be done at our site. Thank you.
Yes. Good evening, everybody. First of all, a very happy Independence Day,
Ji.
and thankful to Dr. Rathod ji
Thank you.
for inviting me for this particular discussion. Actually, today is very important day for our country, and being a citizen and burden of India, we have a responsibility for not only for like country in terms of environment. Like we have to see all the aspects. We have lots of issues, and each of us maybe facing this way or that way. There are lots of issues and problems, but we need to see how to overcome all the issues. So I feel we have to work together for the various aspects, and starting from environmental conservation, starting from environment education, then developing new techniques, tools, like some example creation with the various environmental activities we can do from our areas, vicinity areas. We can do in our, professional place, office. We can collaborate with the organization. We can collaborate with the colleagues. So there are many, such opportunity. If we, think positive, we can do something with the good intention, and definitely we can get some good results. As you know, I am from Guwahati city of Assam. So here we are trying to do something for like environmental activities and environmental initiatives, and we took some examples like iconic places of this state of Assam, like Kamakhya Temple, Vasishtha Temple, and Umananda Island, which is in the middle of the Brahmaputra River. So we are trying to create those places like eco-friendly premises to create some tourism attraction and all. Although this, during this global crisis like pandemic, COVID-19, now everything gone down, but we have to try to do something not only for the one aspect. We have to see the multiple aspects.
Ji.
Now we have to see with about the food security. We have to employment generation, because employment generation also a huge aspect, especially educated, group of this country. They are looking for various opportunities. So we have to think how to give support to all those, qualified, degree holders, qualified, uh, persons. So we have to come forward, and we have to build a network. We have to support those people. We have to give them opportunity. Thank you. And I'm sure if we all work together, we can do something good. Thank you, Shakti, and thank you all. Have.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for your time and nice words for sharing on this platform. Now I invite Dr. Puneet Kumar. Can you hear me? You can unmute yourself. Who want to speak? Then Dr. Puneet Kumar ji.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
please.
Hello. Good
Yes.
evening.
Welcome, Dr. Puneet Kumar ji. Please
Yes.
share your words.
Are you listening?
Yeah, your voice is audible.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Good evening to everyone in this session. And I am very thankful to Dr. Rathore for providing me this opportunity to speak up. And I wish each and everybody to a very happy Independence Day, as it is a very important day for us. Being an Indian, it's a day for pride. I I am very I am listening the words of the expert and given very important suggestions, and they have put the light of very important matter. Similarly, as being a teacher, I also give some my main motto is to like my aim is to discuss about the awareness, because whatever I am thinking or looking or I have been observing, it is that actually government already and it's enacted in 1980 our constitution that it's a
जी
protection of the nature, protection of the natural resources is the responsibility of each and everybody. But what is happening each and every day, the situation of the environment or the environmental resources is no, it is not being good. It is worsening day or time. That's why nowadays we have come to a new that is called as the because that we consider that industrial activity, or we can say urbanization, all the developmental activities, they have been responsible for the
जी
environment. It is not like that. Actually, industrialization and the living of the human, it is interlinked. We can do particular thing. For example, if we need protection kits, the gloves, we need the medicines. For them, we need the transport facilities. So we cannot ignore each any part that is associated with the human development. We will ignore, then it will impact or it will affect badly the human development. The impact became
जी
the sustainable development and protection of the environment. Actually, as the government has the law, but it is not the responsibility of the environment, it is the responsibility of the general people. And my like my today's main point to today about to create the awareness.
जी
As I think only was able to sufficient to like to control this about the environment, the pollution,
जी
to be like it would already before. But we are saying we are not able to do this. Main reason
ओके
because the people or thing we are not making responsible ourselves regarding the protection of the environment.
जी
As we can in our daily life, you can say in the roadside we can see the pillars of the polythenes.
जी
Similarly, also in the mask which everywhere we even we don't care where they are going, how they are producing, and how they are recycled. So
जी
whenever the awareness will not be created in the people and we will not make it our lifestyle, then
जी
we are not going to deal with the problem. Either we can improve, you can increase the, you can do anything, but you cannot control the environmental harm. Only like as per the only way is that the to create the awareness, and this awareness can be created by the putting in the
जी
in the student by making the camps, creating the awareness, the pamphlets by some other means. And but only way according to me is according to creating the awareness between the people. If the people are not aware, we cannot protect the environment because activities, because they are our lifeline. If we will leave the
जी
industry, we have to leave all the things. So that's all. Thank you.
ओके थैंक यू thank you Dr. Sab, for your time, precious time, and for sharing your opinion, your view on environment protection. Now I invite Dr. Arun Bhatt ji from GB Panjani College, Podi Garhwal, Uttarakhand. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, 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 I am hearing you.
जी सर प्लीज आप अपने कुछ शेयर करिए ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म so that everyone can get benefited and they have to start everyone we not only you of course we have to start our at our working and our in daily life please
Yeah, yeah. Thanks, Dr. Rathore, because I thanks Dr. Rathore because he is an alumni of our institute, which is in
Knowledge.
the lap of the Himalayan biodiversity, and I am very much thankful that he is a multi-dimensional person from from a big good student, not only the good student to the now a very good entrepreneur also. So as we are living in a Himalayan area, as our institution is here in the lap of the middle Himalaya. So, but as some of the expert was saying that we have not to compare with the Delhi, but I am agree with them. But now this pollution and environmental challenges are also facing the Himalayan, because this Himalayan biodiversity itself is a fragile in nature. So rather than going into the very deep into scientific just to protect the environment,
जी
I suggest that we start from our own. One of the slogan of the Gayatri Parivar is that अपना अपना करो सुधार तभी भ्रष्टाचार. Even the same thing is that we start from our own efforts, starting from the. So I will not only I am a agriculture university alumni of JV Pant University, or I am a teacher of the biotechnology. But rather than going into detail of the scientific, I have to conclude my findings within the few words. Now starting from your own कि हम अपने में सुधार करें, starting from like this COVID era, people are using the mask and throwing here and there. This is also creating, because they are or they are sometimes they are saying that by seeing the police they putting the mask, but they are not my humble suggestion to all the environmentalists, all the panelists, all the participants is that we start from our own, like bringing your own bag. We have to use the own bag. जैसे हम बचपन में यूज करते थे, हमारी मदर्स हैं, हमारी सिस्टर्स हैं, पुराने जो पैंट्स होती थी या कोई कपड़े होते थे, उनसे बैग बना देते, दे आर मोर ड्यूरेबल.
जी जी.
और तो we can reduce the this plastic waste. Or likewise, we have to encourage the people, encourage our kids. We have to grow our own food. We cannot grow paddy and wheat in our in our apartments, but we have to develop the sanskar, unki habits डालिए कि आप how to grow plant even in a pot, even without soil also, some basic hydroponics techniques. So they will be come near to the nature. Like you have to, if somebody has the starting from the few plants, they will encourage to increase the number of plants in their own home, either the indoor plants in their drawing rooms, bedrooms, and also the some external plants in their balconies if they are living in the high story buildings. Like because that will encourage them to be seeing is believing type of things. तो जो है वो कंप्यूटर पे दिखा देंगे, वो उससे कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. हम उनको इन्वॉल्व करें अपनी एक्टिविटीज में, और उसके आप भी अपना एनर्जी यूज कम करिए. रादर देन इफ somebody is going for the taking some household items, so rather than going your own vehicles, you have to go on foot also. You have to encourage the cycling. ठीक है. Like the same thing is with our own consumption within a family also. Rather than when we are using 5 mobiles, so can it be sustainable to use the 4 and 3 mobiles? So we reduce the consumption, the global reduction. Important entity and unit also. Now we have to use the items which somebody has a very good example, and some people are using the portable water like that is the Bisleri and other things. They are growing them plant also. Very good example. Those plastic items into the growing the plants also. We have to use vocal to local. For our farmers which are growing in our area, so then we have a need to go for the packaged and other. And if we grow these natural habits in our lifestyles, we have to prevent ourselves from the lifestyle diseases. If we protect ourselves being healthy from disease, naturally the environment will be also protected. अगर हम खुद बीमार होंगे तो हम कैसे प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं? और ये प्रैक्टिस है आपको, from carrying your own cloth bag to the other things, and changing food habits will ultimately contribute for the overall environmental development. And as is concerned, lot of Dr. Rathore has spent his good time in the Himalaya of Uttarakhand, so he knows itself, it is the starting from the Gomukh, when there the inception of the holy river Ganga, there is also pollution, because we are the creator of the pollution, we are the destroyer of the. So strong penalty taken from the persons who are creating the pollution. केवल हेलमेट ना पहनने पे pollution वो नहीं होता, pollution करने वालों को भी heavy penalty should be.
Right.
That is my submission. And by practicing each and every basic efforts, or next is that we grow more food and produce less population.
जी,
This is a gist. And I hope that the government of India is next step is the combating the our population explosion. If we so we can easily ourselves. First, we protect ourselves and we become more environment. Then the environment. Naturally, if we are healthy, then our environment will be healthy. My submission, and I thanks again Dr. Rathor, who is a very young, energetic person, and I want to share a thing about the Dr. Rathor. He is also resource person of our teaching fraternity. We invite him for this his alumnus college, that is Govind Ballabh Pant Institute of Engineering Technology, that is in Pauri Garhwal, Uttarakhand, and this is situated in the 1800 above mean sea level. Because you are Dr. Ashok, you are sitting in Gujarat.
thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now it has only 1 minute for this session, and after ending this session, you will join with the same link, same ID password. Immediately, we'll start the next session, and the rest of the panelists will join in the next session. There, everyone requested to join the same with the same link and same ID password. I'm just ending the session so that everyone can join in, and we'll start the session from where we are now. Thank you very much. Join all the participants with the same link, same ID, because now it's just ending for now, and the same link will work, same ID, meeting ID, link, and password will work. Thank you very much.